What is that? Huh? What is that, guys? What is that, huh? Is that snow?
Yes.
Oh, you guys don't know what to think about this, huh? We never get snow in Arkansas. It snowed here more today, well, than it has since 1918. And the birds are freaking out now. They're like, we do not know what to think about this. What you think? What'd you think? See? What is it? He's like, it is a new evil thing, and it's not something I should touch. Oh, ooh. Does the snow taste good? It's cold, huh? Are you eating snow? Clary, are you eating snow? Oh my god. Zoop. What is this? What is this, Perry? Is this snow? Is it snow? What do you think of that, huh? What do you think of that? Is it cold? Zoop. He's like, no, no. Go back, touch it to your toes. Oh, yep, no, not snow on my toes. Oh, he's like, we'll eat it though. Book. What do you think, huh? Don't know what to think about that snow. It's all gonna melt soon. It's gonna rain today and it's gonna melt away. We're not gonna see snow for another 7 or 8 years. That's about how often it snows here. Yeah. 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 Mook. Oh my goodness. I did not mean for you to go face first in the snow. I step up? Want to feel it? And he's like, no, that stupid stuff is cold, Mom. It's like, I do not know what you want me to do or expect me to do. Yeah, are you not super impressed with the snow? Huh? What do you think, huh? What do you think? Book. Whoop! He's like, no, I'm not stepping on that. Piwi, can you come see it? He's like, no, I'm gonna be over here. Yeah. Alright. Yeah. You say bye-bye. Huh? You say bye-bye? Huh? Yeah. Oh, okay. Say bye-bye. Okay, say bye-bye. Okay. Give him. There you go. Oh, I love you. Yeah. Woo. Yeah.